India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the U.S. for his first state visit, and he's already been very busy. Here's a video of his arrival in New York City yesterday, where he met with Tesla's Elon Musk. Modi will attend a state dinner at the White House tomorrow, and he's also expected to meet a slew of U.S. CEOs, including the heads of Apple, Alphabet, and Microsoft. Tim, how do you feel about India? There's been a lot of foreign inflows into Indian stocks.
And if you look at the INDA, it's a $5 billion, iShares India ETF that's really been on a rocket and has actually broken through some significant upside. I think around 44, 45, you have some resistance, but big names in there: Reliance Industries, ICICI Bank, which is essentially their JP Morgan. India, relative to China, is really a pairs trade that favors India in so many ways right now in terms of both the growth, a deflationary environment, which that's a big debate, but clearly India has always had issues with inflation. A lot of it has been energy inflation. So as oil prices have stabilized and come down, it's very good for India. I think it's a fascinating time to be investing in that part of the world. And you're not buying it at the bottom, but you're certainly, for the asset class, this is the part of the Asian exposure I think you really want.
Your flambe, Karen, has Mexico.
Yes.
Would you look at India?
I would. A lot of the same reasons, right. I mean, the nearshoring, there's the geography of it makes Mexico unique. But we've seen a lot of companies, like Tim was saying, already start to diversify, and they need supply chains in India. Yes, I would.
Guy, what if China becomes, what if they have a lot of stimulus? Do you think that money then gets redirected to there?
So back to China, perhaps. They have their own issues. But I think Tim is right to point out the levels of resistance in INDA, which I think is 30% or so financials. 44 was a high a couple times, last one in December. But this should get up to that 50 level, which we last saw, I think, in November of 2021. So I would take a look at that. At some point, Mel, everybody's going to want some.
Oh, just really.
What happened?
I'm going to dive down into this one here. Really quickly, Biden's comment about Modi, one of the biggest criticisms is his assault on democracy in this country. You know what I mean? And it's kind of interesting. This is a very common sort of criticism, especially since he won re-election in 2019. There's been oversight thrown out about election supervision. A lot of stuff going on there, too. So it's funny that he cozies up to Modi here.